Hi there! I'm Martha, and I'm so excited to share my experience with the Medicinal Garden Kit. As a housewife and a concerned mother, I've become more and more interested in natural remedies and taking control of my own health. So when I stumbled upon this kit, I knew I had to give it a try. The kit comes with everything you need to get started: non-GMO organic seeds for a variety of medicinal herbs, soil pellets, biodegradable pots, and even a little booklet with information on how to care for your plants and use them for their medicinal properties. I was a little nervous at first. I've never been much of a gardener, but it was actually really easy to get started. The soil pellets expand when you add water, so you don't even have to mess with buying potting soil. And the seeds are already sorted and labeled, so you know exactly what you're planting. Within a few weeks, I started to see little sprouts popping up. And before I knew it, I had a thriving little medicinal garden right in my own backyard. I've been using the herbs to make teas, tinctures, and salves, and I've noticed a real difference in my overall health. Plus, it's just so satisfying to be able to grow and harvest my own medicine. And did you know that home gardening can actually have a positive impact on the environment? According to the National Gardening Association, home gardens can help reduce carbon dioxide levels, conserve water, and even provide habitat for pollinators. I've also noticed that I'm saving money by not having to buy as many over-the-counter medications. And with the rise in healthcare costs, every little bit helps. If you're interested in trying out the Medicinal Garden Kit for yourself, I highly recommend it. Not only is it a fun and rewarding hobby, but it's also a great way to take control of your own health and wellness. Thanks for watching. Be sure to follow the link in the description for more information and to purchase your own Medicinal Garden Kit.